Do you feel confident saying that the bridge is safe?
The bolts are in critical locations. They're holding critical parts of this structure together. And if they don't function properly, the system can fail.
To be clear, Bob B. does not think the bridge will fall down from everyday use. But the Hayward Fault is just 7 miles away from the suspension span, where 32 high-strength bolts holding earthquake safety devices broke last March. The reason? Hydrogen embrittlement. Here, directly under the self-anchored suspension portion of the new eastern span, you can actually see the busted bolts up close. They're the ones that have a visible gap right there.
Why do you go outside of the specifications?
The broken bolts put Caltrans on the hot seat and bridge safety in the spotlight.
It's the standard specifications or specifications we use for our everyday bridges, and this is not your everyday bridge. It was a decision that was made eyes wide open.
The materials that were used in these bolts were not the appropriate material to use.
UC Berkeley metallurgist Thomas Devine says bridge designers made several mistakes. First, they ordered bolts that were too hard on the outside, making them susceptible to hydrogen cracking. Then they galvanized the bolts, leaving them even more vulnerable to hydrogen. And finally, they installed the bolts without enough testing. So initially, the testing was not adequate.
It was consistent with industry standards, which did not catch that.
So would you say it was not adequate?
Yes.